Welcome to Robeytech. Robeytech is a show dedicated to PC building, tech news, tech deals, and so much more, guys. Let's talk about what's happening on the show today. We are building a very, very cool system with all of the absolute awesome bells and whistles. It's in one of my favorite cases, the Phanteks P600s. Okay, let's start with our CPU. So for our CPU, we've got the Ryzen 9 5950X. 16 core, 32 thread. For our motherboard, we've got the ROG Strix X570-E. We are using the GSkill Trident Z Neo. This is AMD specific RAM. This is at 3600 megahertz, coming in at 4 terabytes of storage here. We've got two 2 terabyte SN750 drives. This is the Silverstone 1200 watt STI 1200. This is a platinum level power supply from Silverstone. 1200, he's got lots of headroom. And then for our AIO, we've got the Corsair iQ H100i Capellix. Love this AIO. The thing I like about it is we're pairing this with the ML120s, which we're gonna be using in the build. And this thing comes with what is essentially a Corsair Commander Pro inside of it. So that makes things a whole lot easier. For the graphics card, we're using the EVGA GeForce RTX FTW3. It's going to look great in the case. We've got that massively awesome RGB strip, and so it's going to be crazy. Okay, let's get this opened up and let's start building a PC. Let's get our CPU installed. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this, we're going to take it to 90 degrees, and what we're going to do is we're going to grab our 5950X, putting it in there on the side like that. Just popping that in, and then boom, our CPU is installed. Let's install our RAM now, though. So the way you're gonna install RAM is there's a little slot in what's called the PCB. This is the printed circuit board. Everybody say printed circuit board.
Printed circuit
Now
board.
everybody say deadly neurotoxin. I don't know.
Deadly neurotoxin.
So there we go, we got the printed circuit board. There's a little slot here in where you plop the RAM. We're gonna pop these little tops up just like that. And then we're going to slip this in like so. And then we're gonna get a very satisfying, if I did this right, click. That's quality clicking right there. Okay, time to install our M.2 drive. Okay, going and installing our standoffs now. So we're ready. This is basically ready to put inside the case. I'm going to start stripping the case here. EVGA. Let's get our fans installed now. Everything is in and running now. Next up is putting together the AIO. I remember the first time I ever installed one of these was on Power Builds with Brenadactyl, and it probably took us 30 minutes just to get this on. And like now it's like, you know, it's just a lot of muscle memory. Our AIO is mounted, everything is run, looks clean. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna basically cable manage the back real quick, guys. Oh. That everything else looks super good and put together. Okay, last part of this is let's get our GPU installed. Everybody say GPU time.
GPU time.
GPU time, everybody's favorite time. Okay, there we go right there, guys. There is the beautiful, beautiful GPU. This is the one without the clown lips. Last part as we put in
Beefy boy.
Beefy boy. like a glove, just went beautifully. Tighten that nice and tight. There we go. Okay, that is all in. Now we're gonna turn over and do our PSU. Everybody say PSU time. So we'll need 3 VGA. There we go. Okay, there's that. 3 VGA are in. Next up, we need CPU. There's our CPU. 1 SATA. Okay, and then finally, last one. There we go. This PC is done. We're done. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and put all the little extra parts on. Boom and boom. And there we go. Thank you very much, guys. Have a great night.
See ya.
Bye, guys.